Yeah, children. Now, so now we'll discuss children percentages. We'll discuss percentages. Right? Exercise 2.2 RT Sharma. Okay, 8th class. Okay, children. 12.9 page it is. You can check children. 12.9 page percentages and we'll discuss. Children, what is meant by percentages means percent means for 100 everything will compare to 100, that is called percentage. Everything will compare to 100. Okay, that is called percentage. Some example like this. See children, see what is 22% of 120, what is 25% of 1000, what is 25% of 10. You should know this children. What is 16.5% of 5,000? All these things you should know children. Like this. Children, basic thing I will say, then you can see children. See, 22% of 120 I'm asking. Means, children, 22% means, if in 100, 22% means for 100 it is 22. 22% means for 100 it is 22. For 100 it is 22. For 120 it is how much? Okay, children, 22% of 120 means you can say like this also, children. If you want, you can say like this also, children. Okay, 22% of 1. If 120 is 100%, like this also you can do. If 120 is 100%, 22% is how much? Like that also you can do, children. However you want, but you should understand the concept. 120 is 100%, 22% is how much? Cross multiplication you do. 120 into 22 is equal to x into 100. Means x is equal to 22 into 120. This 100 will go down by 100. Some people will teach you, what they will teach you is directly they will say x is equal to do 22 by 100 into 120. They will tell you, but how do you got this concept? They won't teach you. If you imagine 120 as 100, so 22 is how much? Like, so children, this 0 gone, try to understand. So 12 to 24, 12 to 24, 26 by 264 by 10, 26.4 is 22% of 120. Like this you should understand. Okay, having this, using this, using this, please tell me children someone. Using this, please say, Vedant, using this property, you keep saying 25% of 1000. Vedant, 1000 is, Pravalika,
1000 is 100%.
1000 is
X is
100%.
X is 25%.
How much is 25%?
Cross
Yes,
multiply. 1000 into 25 is equal to x into 100.
x into 100.
X is equal to 1000 into 25 by 100. 3
1000
zeros,
into 25 by
2
100.
zeros cut, sir.
Okay.
X is equal to 250.
250 is
250 is 25% of 1000.
1000. Sujit, are you there? Sujit? 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 Okay. So like this. Next, Pravalika, tell me how to do
Yes,
this.
sir. The 10 is equal to 100%.
10 is equal to 100%. How much
X
is
X is equal to 25%.
cross multiplication?
10 into 25 is equal to 100 into X.
100 into x. Okay, x is equal to
2, X is equal to 10 into 25 by 100.
okay. How much is that? 2.5. Say 2.5 is 2.5 is 25%
25%
of
of
10.
10.
Next, you only tell this also. Pravalika, you only tell this also.
Yes, sir.
5000 is
100%.
100%. How much is
16.5.
cross multiplication?
5000 into 16.5 is equal to 100 into X.
Okay, x is equal to
X is equal to 5000 into 16.5 by 100.
5 by 100. How much is that? 825 is 16.5% of
16.5% of 5.
5,000. Like that. We should. Okay. Understood? Like this. We should. No, okay. Next. Nandika. Nandika, tell me next sum. Nandika,
Sir,
tell me this sum. 135% of 80. 135% of 80.
Yes, sir. 100% is 80.
100% is 80.
135% is X.
How much? 135% is how much? Cross multiplication?
Sir, 135, 100 into X is equal to 80 into 135.
X is equal to
Equal to 80 into 135 by 100.
8.
X is equal to, yes, 108.
108 is 108 is
135% of X. Sorry,
135% of 80.
80.
135% of 80. Okay. Next. Nandika, you will tell next sum also. 2.5% of 1000. 2.5% of 1000. Nandika, 2.5% of 1000.
Yes, sir. 100% is 1000.
100% is 1000.
2.5% is X.
2.5% is how much? Cross multiplication.
Sir, 100 into X is equal to 1000 into 2.5.
Okay. Bring this down.
Yes, sir. Sir, 2.5 into 1000 by 100.
Remove this
Sir, it will
point.
become 250.
25.
25. Yes.
25 is
25 is 10. Sorry, 100%.
2.5% of
2.5% of 1000.
1000. Yeah, like this you should do, children. So everywhere same procedure, children. Everywhere same procedure. And you should have understanding, children. If you understand, then you can do this. Okay. Next sum. Next sum. Okay. Next sum. Harsha will tell. Harsha, get ready. 8.4% of 42. Next. 0.5% of 3. Next. 0.5% of 8.4% of A is 42. What is A? We have to find A in all the cases, children. 0.5% of A is 3. Find A. 0.5% of A is 50. Find A. Okay. 100% of A is 100. Find A. Like this. Hansika is there? Hansika? Hansika? Okay. Harsha?
Yes, sir.
Harsha. So 8.4% of A is 42. How much is E? Can you do?
Sir, 100% is equal to?
Huh?
Sir, 100% is equal to 1542.
No, it's not 154. Is. This is is. So, tell.
Sir, 100% is equal to 42.
Okay.
100% is A. 100% is A.
8.4% is 42.
8.4% is 42. Find A.
And
Is
just
42.
you want
Not
in that
Sir, 100
particular room,
into
just
42 is
tell
equal
them,
to 8.4 into A.
100 into 42 is equal to A into 8.4. Break it down. A is equal to 100 into
A is equal to 100 into 42 by 8.
this point. If you remove children, here
400, sir.
500. 500. So A is 500. What is the statement will become? 8.4% of 500 is 42. In 500, 8.4% is 42. In 500, 8.4% is 42. Like that. Okay. Next, Raghuram, tell me 0.5 percent of A is 50 is 3.
Yes, sir. Sir,
100% is
to A
A.
and 0.5% is 53.
Just 3. Just 3.
Oh, yes, sir. Sir, 100 into 3 is equals to 0.5 into A.
Okay.
A is equals to 100 into 3 divided by 0.5.
Okay. Remove this point. 6. 0.5% of 600 is 3. Okay. Next, Anu, half percent of A is 50.
Yes, sir. So 100% 100% is A and half percent equals to 50.
Cross multiplication.
100 into 50 equals to half into A.
2 will go up.
A equals to 100 into 50.
10,000. So half percent of 10,000 is 50. Half percent. Okay. Next. Next one second. Check. 1 second. Next. Ask you. Yeah. Next. Meghana, say 100% of A is 100.
Yes, 100% of A is 100. 100%
Is
is
A.
100% is 100.
A. 100% is A.
Yes, sir.
So 100%
Percent
is
is
100.
100.
So cross multiplication.
100 into 100 is equal to 100 into
A
A.
into 100. So A is also
A is equal
100.
to 100.
Simple. So in 100, 10% is 10, 20% is 20, 30% is 30, 100% is 100 only. Just to confuse us, they will give you actually. That's all. Okay. So like this. Okay. So percentages means children per 100. Percentages means per 100. Okay, children. I hope you are able to understand third sum. Please check the third sum in the picture which I have sent in. Third sum. Question is there like that. X is 5% of Y. Okay. Y is 24% of Z. If X is 480, find Y and Z. This is the question. If X is 480, find Y and Z. Okay, children, X is 480 and find Y and Z. That is the question. Find Y and Z. Okay, so X is 5% of Y. Y is 24% of Z. Children, find Y. Okay, are you able to understand, children? Yes, children. So, children, X is only 5% of Y, children. 5% of Y. But X is 480. All of you know. Slowly, I will say listen. 5% is 480. 5% is 480. X is just 5%. 5% is 480 means 100% is how much? That will give you Y. That will give you Y. Because X is 5% of Y. Right, understand? Just 5% is 480. 100% is how much? Cross multiplication. 5 into Y is equal to 100 into 480. This 5 will come down. 5 is equal to 100 into 480 by 5. Try to understand, children. 9600. Y is 9600, children. This is Y value. Now Y is 24% of Z. Y is 24% of Z. So 24% is 9600. 24% is 9600. 100% will give you Z. 100% will give you Z. Cross multiplication. 24 into Z is equal to 100 into 9600. So Z is equal to 100 into 9600 by 24. 24 4s are. So Z is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Z value is 40,000. So, children, X is 480 of 9600 and Y is 9600 of 40,000. X is 5% of Y. How much is that? 480. So from that I calculated Y. Then 24% is 9600 and 100%. That's all, children. Slowly you understand, children. Absolutely no problem will be there. Sujit, are you there? Sujit?
Yes, sir.
Sujit, get ready. Fourth sum. I have sent the picture. You see, fourth sum I'll explain. Then you have to say how to do it. I'll explain. Just see. Fourth sum. A coolie deposits 150 rupees per month. 150 rupees per month in some bank or somewhere. Where? In his post office savings bank. If this is 15% of his income, This 150 rupees is 15% of his income. Find his income. Sujit.
Sir.
The person's income is how much is asking. 15% is 150 rupees. Savings. 15% is savings. So how do you find out his income? How do you find out his income?
1000 is answers.
100% is how much? Sujit, okay, remaining people mute. Sujit, 15% is 150. 100% is how much you get the income. Okay, Sujit,
Yes,
cross multiplication.
15 into x
15
is equal to 100
into
into
x.
150.
100 into 150. So 15 will come down. X is equal to 100 into 150 by 15. This gone. 1000 rupees is his income. From that, every month, 150 rupees he is saving. Savings are very important, children. If you save money, it will save you. Okay, children, fifth sum. Okay. Ashrit, are you there? Ashrit. Ashrit.
Yes, sir.
Ashrit.
Yes, sir.
Asha got 86.875% marks in her examination. Means for every 100, she got this much marks. Okay. If she got 695 marks, find total number of marks in the exam. 86.875% is she got 695. If you want to find total marks, how you will find out?
100% of X.
100% is how much? That's it. You're able to understand, Ashit? If 86.875% is 695 marks she got. If she got 695 this much, so 100% total marks how much? Tell me cross multiplication, Ashit.
X into 86.875 equals to 100 into 695.
Tell, keep telling, bring this down.
X equals to 100 into 695 by 86.875.
86.875. If I remove this point, up to 3 zeros I can keep up. So it will be total how much, Nana? Anyone? Total will be, okay. It will be 50, it will be how much, Nana? Total?
800.
800 marks is total. They conducted exam for 800 marks. For 800, she got 695, and 695 is 86.875%. You should understand. You should understand, children. Hansika, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Deepthi went 216 days in one full year to school. Deepthi. Okay. Her attendance percentage is 90%. How many days did school work? 90% is
216 days.
okay.
100% is X.
How many days? Means how many days school work? Her attendance is 90%. Cross multiplication, tell Nana.
X 90 into X is equals to 216 into 100.
Keep saying.
X is equals to 100 into 216 divided by 90.
Okay, keep saying.
0 cancel. X is equals to
240 days school worked. In 240 days, she went how many days? 216 days. And that became her 90% attendance. Okay, now Hansika, understood?
yes, sir.
Tell one more time, Hansika. A garden has 200 trees. A garden has 200 trees. In this, 12% are mango trees, 18% are lemon trees, and rest are orange trees. How many orange trees are there? Hansika, can you tell this one? 12% is mango, 18% is lemon, total 30% is mango and lemon. How much percent is left over, Nana? How much percent is left over? 30%. 70% is left over. 30% over, no? Yeah. 200 trees is 100%. Okay. So how much is 70%? 100 or listen.
Sir, they give 2000.
100% is 2000 trees. Okay. 100% is 2000 trees. 100% is 2000 trees. 70% gives orange trees. How many orange trees are there? Tell Hansika cross multiplication.
Cross multiplication 100 into x is equals to 2000 into 70.
Okay.
X is equals to 2000 into 70 divided by 100.
Okay.
Can 0 cancel.
1400 orange trees are there. 1400 orange trees are there. So because 12%, 18%, if you remove 70%, 70% is 1400. So in 2000, 70% is 1400 children. Try to understand. Okay. Next. Vishkesh,
Yes, sir.
check eight some. Vishkesh, check eight some.
Yeah.
All of you, please check eight some children. A balanced diet must have a balanced diet. Take some of you, please check children. A balanced diet I give children. Balanced diet chart I give. So a balanced diet must have 12% proteins, 25% fats, and 63% carbs. If a child gets 2600 calories, if a child is taking daily 2600 calories of food, find the calories amount of each food. Each food is how much?
Yes, sir.
2600, 100% is
100% is 2600 calories. So 12% is equals to
how much?
x.
Means
Yes,
it will give proteins. It will give proteins. We'll put
protein.
PI. We'll put PI. So it's good. Tell cross
Okay.
multiplication.
100 into p is equals to 2600 into 12. P is equals to 2600 into 12 by 100. So um to, so 312. Yes, sir. 312 calories.
No.
So
Only 12.
3
12 was 24. 24 plus 7, 31 only. No.
30. Yes, sir. 312.
312 calories of protein she is getting from her food. Now can you tell even for fats calculation for fats?
100% is equals to 2600 calories.
Okay.
25% is equals to F.
25% is F. Very good. Tell cross multiplication.
2600 into 25 is equals to 100 into F.
Okay.
2600 into 25 by 100 is equals to F. So 4 then 1 second, sir. 50, sorry, 650 calories.
650 calories of fats. Energy is fats. Okay. Next, tell me about carbs. Also carbs.
100% is equals to 2600. 63% is equals to C. 2600 into 63 is equals to C into F. Sorry, C into 100. 63 into 2600 by 100 is equals to C. Then um 1 second, sir.
Sir, we can simply subtract the other two calories from
163.
sir 1638. Sir.
Of carb.
1000. Yes.
That's it. Very good. Nana, very good. Yes. Next children. See next some nine some of you. Nine some. Vedant, tell me nine some how to.
Yes, sir. A cricketer scored a total of 62 runs in 96 balls.
62 runs they scored in 96 balls. Okay.
3 sixes, 8 fours,
8 fours,
2 twos,
2 twos,
and 8 singles.
8 single runs. 8 runs. Okay.
So 3
What?
sixes total score will be 18.
3 sixes means 18.
8 fours are 32.
32 runs.
2 twos are 4 runs, and
4
8
runs.
ones are 8 runs.
8 runs. Now he's asking what is individual percentages of sixes, fours, twos, and singles. Okay.
18 was if 62 runs is 100%, 18 runs is X%.
62 runs is 100%. 18 runs is how much percent?
Yes, X%.
And what is the next one? What is the next one?
If
62 runs is
100%, then 32 is X.
32 runs is how much percent? All of you keep doing. All of you keep doing. Next.
62 is 100%, then 4 is X%.
Okay, keep doing all of you. Next.
So last time we can just minus.
And just say one 8 runs is how much?
8.
Okay, Sujit, tell me all cross multiplications. Sujit, all cross multiplications.
62 into x is equal to 18 into 100.
Okay.
X is equal to 18 into 100 by 62.
Okay. Yes, that is how much, Nana? Anyone? That is how much?
29.03%.
29.03% is coming in the form of sixes. Yes, Sujit, tell me this also, Nana. Sujit.
62 into x is equal to 32 into 100. X is equal to 32 into 100 by 62.
Coming how much, Amma?
This is
Anyone?
51.61%.
Yes, Sujit. Next also in fours. This is 4 runs. Yes, Sujit.
64 into x is equal to 4 into 100.
How much is that? 4
X is
into.
equal to 4 into 100 by 62.
How much is that?
6.45%.
6.4% in the form of twos.
Two runs.
Sujit, this one also you tell Nana. Sujit.
62 into x is equal to 100 into 8.
800. So x is equal to 800 by 62. Anyone?
Sir, it is 12.9%.
0.9% in the form of singles, they are getting runs. So sixes are 29.3%, fours are 51%, twos are 6.45, like that he's getting. Okay, Sujit, next one you tell Nana. Sujit, tell some. Sujit, are you there? Tell some. Please help me how to do tell some. Sujit, tell some.
Sir,
Okay, tell some.
a cricketer hit 120 runs in 150 balls.
Vedant, not you, wait. Vedant, not you. Sujit, 120 runs he is hitting in 150 balls. Okay, 20% runs came in the form of sixes. Sujit, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
And 30% of the runs is getting in the form of fours, and 25% of the runs is getting in the form of twos, and rest 30, 20, 50 means 25% more is getting in the form of singles. How many runs did he score as sixes, fours, twos, and singles individually? You should find out. Will you tell or shall I help one Nana? Sujit.
120 is equal to 150.
120 is equal to 100%.
100%.
120 runs is 100%. 20, see here. 100% is 120 runs. 20% is how much? Tell cross multiplication.
100 into x is equal to 20 into 120.
24 runs came in the form of sixes. Now tell Nana, fours also you should say no. Fours, twos, ones you should only say calculation. Tell.
100 is 120 to
Runs.
30% is equal to x.
How much? Tell cross multiplication.
100 into x is equal to 120 into 30. X is equal to 120 into 30 by 100.
Okay, how much is that? 36 runs came in the form of fours. Tell Nana.
100 is 120. 25 is equal to x.
25% is how many runs? Tell.
100 into x is equal to 120 into 25.
Okay, tell. X is equal
X
to?
is equal to 125 into 25 by 100.
Okay, how much is that? 30%. 30% came in the form of twos.
2 runs.
36 runs. Sorry, 30 runs came in the form of twos. Tell me singles, right? Tell me singles.
Is equal to 25% is equal to x.
Percent is equal to x. Same 30 runs. Again 30 runs. We did not only know 30 runs also came in the form of singles. 30 runs singles, 30 runs the twos, 36 runs fours, 24 runs six. Like this you should do. Okay, Ashred.
Yes, sir.
Tell me 11 some. Tell me 11 some, Ashred. Radha earns 22% of her investment. She earns. Yes, Nana. So Radha is getting 22% from her investment, and that earning is 187 rupees. So how much did she invest? Okay, now, asked 22% is 187. Tell me, how much did she invest? Ashit only will say 22% is 187 rupees.
187.
Ah,
100% is x.
wow, fantastic. 100% is how much? Tell me cross multiplication.
Into 22 equal to 100 into 187. X equals to 100 into 187 by 22.
100 into 187 by 22. So how much did she invest? How much did she invest? 11th sum. All of you see and tell how much? 850 rupees she invested. 850 rupees she invested. Because of her 850 rupees she investment, every month or every whatever it is, she's getting 187 rupees as amount. She invested this much, she's getting this much. This is 100%, this is 20%. Like, okay, last sum children, all of you. Okay, Raghuram,
Yes,
12
sir.
sum. Rohit deposits 12% of his income. Rohit deposits 12% of his income in a bank. He deposited 40 during, he deposited 1440 rupees. Okay, so what is his total income?
12% is equals to 1440 rupees. 100% is equals to x rupees.
Very good, very good. Tell.
1440 into 100 is equals to 12 into x.
Okay.
X is equals to 100 into 1440 divided by
12,000.
12,000 is rupees 12,000 is his income, sir.
Yes, very good. 12,000 from his income, he invested 1440 rupees. Means which is 12% of his income. From 12,000 every month, 1440 is investing. You'll ask what is investment, sir? Means it is type of saving children for the future. If you save, it will save us. Always savings are very important, children. After saving, you have to spend. You should not save after spending, children. First, after you have to save the money, then you have to spend. Never save after spending. Remember, that is very important in your life forever. Okay, children. So, children, 12 sums I told children, and remain total 27 sums are there. 13 to 27 remain the 14 or 15 sums. Tomorrow we'll discuss children on sums. As okay, children. So, thank you so much, children. 1 second.
Sir, homework